Hello, trading is closed on May 3rd, 2019. Yesterday we had a target of 29, 28, 27. That printed and it was support throughout the day. Looked for a pattern with the early high, the late low. We said that the day is usually a high to low, but usually falls all day unless we are up strongly in the first 1 to 2 hours. And we said to pay more attention to the times rather than the shape of the day. This is an early high, a late low, a rally in the middle of the day. This is a high to low pattern. And although it's usually a down day, when you're up strongly in the first 1 or 2 hours, it can be an up day. Unless it's invalidated by gapping under this low or trading under the low promptly, it's a positive pattern and should lead to higher prices. Let's take a look at this low here. Now, one of the advantages of publishing my system was that sometimes other people point out things that I missed. This is back on April 22. We had an ultimate sell signal. We got the minimum 2900.87. Now we normally get more than the minimum, but since it's optional, I haven't really been writing down what those numbers are, but a friend of mine did, and he pointed out that we got more than the minimum at yesterday's low. And as always, once you hit the target, that's a support level. So we bottomed right at a MEJT support level. If somebody else finds some stuff I missed in my system, just let me know, because we're all here to help each other out. During the day, we had the MEJT buy signal here. The minimum has already printed. The only thing negative about the pattern is that we rallied all day, couldn't take out this middle of the day high, but that negativity goes away if we gap up and take it out. It's positive when a high to low day rallies. It's positive when you start low, rally all day long. We are running into some resistance here. We've got prior lows bumping into the FOMC announcement price. Now here's your inverted diamond on stilts. Here's a diamond, pretty clear. Here's the left stilt, here's the right stilt, and here's the origin of the left stilt. Normally we stop there, and that holds the support. It holds the resistance the first time. We've already broken through, and sometimes this holds as support, which would be clarified if we were to gap up. If we do gap up and don't promptly reverse, then the three-leg whipsaw says we should go over this level by more than we went under it. We went 48 points under it. If we go over it, we're about 3,000. So I don't know for certain how we're going to open Monday, but if we gap up, and that's what I'm looking for. I don't trade overnight, but if we gap up, everything is in place for a strong move higher and a rally to about 3,000. And if we gap down instead, something funny is going on, and I don't know what it is, because this is a perfect setup for gapping up Monday, and if it doesn't happen, I'm not going to make a prediction. That's today's call.